Hello crafty friends, it's Erica, Scrapdivatwentynine. Welcome back to my channel. I've missed you guys. I've missed posting videos. I just want to say Merry Christmas, and I hope you all had a wonderful time with your family and your friends. And if you don't celebrate, I hope you enjoyed your time off. I want to come on today. I know I am behind on my videos, but I wanted to come on today and share with you an AliExpress haul. I hauled a few items and I have a few examples, so I'm going to jump on and share with you what I picked up. All right, so I picked up more paper, and I'm going to show you this first pack. There's 32 sheets, and it's a designer paper pad. If you remember in a previous haul, I told you I had hauled some vellum paper. Well, this is it. This comes from the KS Craft store. This is their little card, but this is the store I picked it up from. But this is a designer paper pad, and this paper is so pretty, and it's vellum. So I'm going to just do a flip through for you so you can see all the pretty pages. But it looks like you get 2 of each. But look at the foiled hearts, and this, again, it's vellum. It's really, really pretty. And here is the next one with the little zigzags, and I love the gold foil accents. It's so pretty. Look at this one. This is a rose paper. So pretty. This is going to be fun to play with, especially for Valentine's Day, and just really basically any project. Super, super pretty. Looks like a paint splatter. That one right there, like a honeycomb. And again, looks like you get 2 of each, which is perfect, and it's so, so beautiful. I love it. This one has really cute hearts, and again, foiled. Here's this one, stripes. This one says create your own story. It's really, really pretty vellum paper, and it's, you know, it's a good quality vellum paper too. It's pretty sturdy. It's not flimsy at all. So I really like that about this paper. Look at that one right here. Look how pretty that is. It's just so gorgeous. I love it. And this store, I believe they have different vellum packs, so you can, you know, go to the store and check them out and see what else they have. But I am so happy I picked up this vellum stack right here. It is so pretty. And look at the little dots. Gorgeous. And this one right here. So pretty. And that is that. So this is all of the sheets that you get, and it looks like you get, I think it was 32 sheets in this paper pad. So a really great find there. Love that. A lot of you had been asking me about this sturdy, thick foil paper that I've been hauling, and it's from this store right here. It comes in a pack like this, and you get silver. This one has a rose gold. There's gold, there's copper, and then there's also silver. And they actually have multiple colors of this heavyweight cardstock, in case you're wondering. You just have to browse the store, but there's several different colors that it comes in. I did share with you this paper pack, but I actually did get another one because I loved it so much. And this is that unicorn paper pack that I shared in the previous haul, but this one is super, super cute. And if you like unicorns and mermaids, you'll love this paper stack, and I can link that previous video where I did the flip through in case you did not see it. I did pick up some sequins. I got these big stars and the little tiny stars, and I just figured that'd be really cute for Valentine's Day. I just like the rose gold color. You can use them for unicorn projects, shakers, all that good stuff. I just thought those were pretty, so I picked those up. I picked up some straws, and these are just some stars, just to kind of go along with the little theme with the unicorns and stars and everything. And, you know, they're inexpensive, so it's a good find. They have some new bow dies. I picked up this one right here, which is really, really cute. It looks like that, and let me show you what it looks like cut out. These are the 2 examples that I made, and look how pretty it looks. And I used that paper from that unicorn stack, and I added the little heart bling. That's probably from, I think, Hobby Lobby. Look how pretty that is. And then I did die cut it out of that thick heavyweight gold cardstock, And then I just put a button in the middle that says handmade with love. But it's gorgeous. It's so cute. I love this little tiny bow. So I think I might have a new favorite bow die. But, you know, there's always new bows. So love that. And I love a little size. And then they also, let me show you another bow. Let me find the die. There's a bigger die and it looks like this. It's in my stack in here somewhere, but they also have a larger size of this bow and it looks like this. And again, I cut it out of that heavyweight cardstock that I just showed you, and I added a little rose, and look how beautiful that is. I love the little dainty little edge. It's different and it's gorgeous. So I'm really loving this bow die, and I know that I brought it down here. I just have to go through my little stash, but isn't that pretty? So I think this is a new bow die in that store. Super, super cute. All right, moving along. I did haul some embossing folders, so I picked up this one. And this one right here is really, really cute, and I made a card with it. Here's the bigger bow die. So you get, this is a larger one, and then they have a smaller one. So there's two different sizes in case you're wondering, but that's the one I just showed you. And then I hauled this super cute little puppy, and you can paper piece him and make all kinds of different color, you know, variations of this puppy. And then I also picked up this banner, and it's like it's a layered banner set, and you get 1, 2, 3 pieces. And this is really pretty as well. When you cut it out, it cuts out into 2 pieces, so you can use it with the flag by its this way with the little lace frame, or you can layer it with the middle, or you can just use it as a flag. You know, it's up to you, but it's super, super cute. Let me show you the card that I created using those products. This is the little card that I made, and as you can see, I used that heart embossing folder and that super cute puppy. And there I have the banner, and I used that gold and white paper from that unicorn paper stack that I had picked up. And then this is another new bow, and I'm going to show you that in just a second. I also picked this little bow up from the store. And then I had the word dream, and I just layered it a few times to make it dimensional. The little puppy's on dimensionals as well to give him some dimension on this card, and I think it's super cute. And I love the little puppy. Isn't he adorable? Super, super cute. So that is that card right there. And this is that tiny little bow right here that I used on this card right here. And as you can see, let me just get in a little bit closer. It's a little scalloped bow, and it's tiny, but it's super, super cute. So I'm loving that. Moving along, I did pick up this little treat topper. It's a little heart treat topper, and this is absolutely adorable. And I did make a little example so you could see. Here's the set of bows using that little tiny bow die. I added some bling, and then there's the cute little topper. I did add some gold paper to back the heart, and I think that came out super, super cute. And that's the back, and again, I did the gold in the back as well. But I love that little topper. And my friend Anna, who is Serenity Creations, she actually had hauled this die a while back, and I was trying to find it, and then I finally found it because I think it was out of stock, and I'm glad I found it again, and it's super cute. So I love that. And then moving along, I did haul this die right here. It looks like this, and it creates a box. So it comes with this piece, and then it comes with all these little pieces right here. And let me show you what it looks like. I made a couple of these boxes using paper from that, this unicorn set. This is one of the papers that are in that set, but isn't that super cute? And then I added some flowers that were in my stash. I have these really cute flowers that are dies, and I just topped them on this little box. But how adorable is that? And then let me just open it up. This is, this is what the box looks like on the inside, and as you can see, there's plenty of room to add goodies. So super, super cute. I'm loving that. And then I did make another one. I made this one as well, and that's with all the little pieces, the extra pieces that it comes with. This is another die from my stash, and then I did the edges with the little heart border, which is absolutely adorable. So you can do all sides of the box. So really, really cute. And this is a really nice size treat box, and it's definitely perfect for Happy Mail. It's not too big, and but it's just the right size to add some fun goodies. So I really love this, and obviously you could put chocolate and all kinds of stuff in this box. So really, really cute. And that is it. This is my haul. I will come back with another haul and some more shares soon, so stay tuned. Please check the description box below for product information. Leave me a comment. Thanks for watching, and I will catch you guys in my next video. Bye for now.